Have you noticed that nearly 80% of poor people are actually working 9-to-5 jobs, yet they still struggle to build wealth? Meanwhile, there are people who started with absolutely nothing and eventually became wealthy. My question is, why? Welcome to Rich Mindset channel. If this is your first time seeing my videos, do well to like and subscribe. And if you have been following my previous lessons, then you already know that I talk a lot about financial education. Now, I know some people may be wondering why I focus so much on financial literacy, but let me help you understand something very important. Take a good look around you. You will realize that most poor people are actually hard-working people. Many of them wake up early every morning, work 9-to-5 jobs, and earn salaries every month, yet they still struggle financially year after year. Meanwhile, there are people who started with absolutely nothing and eventually became wealthy. My question is why? The answer is simple. A job gives you income, but financial education teaches you how to turn that income into wealth. Most people work for money their entire lives, while the wealthy learn how to make money work for them. That's the difference. So the real problem is not always a lack of income. The biggest problem is lack of financial education. A financially educated person can start from almost nothing and still build wealth over time because they understand how money works. If you are intelligent and already have a job bringing you income, then you already have an advantage. But sadly, many workers spend years saving money only to buy liabilities while believing they are buying assets. They buy expensive things that take money from them instead of putting money into their pockets. And the painful part is this: they do not even realize the mistake because nobody taught them. Schools taught most people how to work for money, but they never taught people how to make money work for them. They trained people to become employees, to study hard, get good grades, find jobs, and survive on salaries. But they never properly explained assets, liabilities, cash flow, investing, or wealth creation. And that is one of the biggest reasons many people remain poor even after working for decades. So if you truly want to become wealthy, you must understand that you still need education, but not just the traditional education you already received. You need proper financial education, the kind of education that teaches you how to build wealth, manage money, and create assets that continue paying you over time. Now let me make this easier for you to understand. Before any building is constructed, the engineers first create a building plan. They design everything carefully before the workers even touch the ground. In the same way, before you can build success in real life, you must first build it in your mind. Your mind is the blueprint of your future. Many people wake up every day without any clear direction. They move randomly from one activity to another until the day ends, and then they complain about being tired and unproductive. But the truth is, being busy is not the same thing as making progress. That is a dangerous habit you must avoid. If you want to succeed, you need a roadmap for your life. You need a clear plan that guides your daily actions. Create a system for yourself and force yourself to follow it even when you do not feel like it. Discipline is what separates people who dream from people who achieve. And let me tell you something powerful. Starting a long-term project will always feel uncomfortable at first. Why? Because your brain is not familiar with it. According to psychologists, the brain is naturally designed to protect you. Anything unfamiliar to your brain is automatically treated like danger, and that is why growth often feels uncomfortable. That is also why discipline feels difficult in the beginning. When you start waking up early, learning new skills, investing money, reading books, or working on your future consistently, your brain fights back because it wants to keep you in your comfort zone. But if you continue repeating those positive actions long enough, your brain eventually adapts and accepts them as normal. That is why successful people train themselves to stay disciplined even when they do not feel motivated. So understand this clearly. Your future will not change because of luck. It will change because of the habits, knowledge, and discipline you build daily. Financial freedom is not built overnight. It is built step by step, decision by decision, and habit by habit. If you truly want to escape poverty and build wealth, start educating your mind, create a plan for your life, and discipline yourself to follow that plan consistently. Because at the end of the day, your life will always move in the direction of your strongest habits. If you learned something valuable from this lesson, do well to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Rich Mindset channel for more powerful lessons designed to help you build wealth and become financially free.